Hello friends, this is Shashank and you're watching my channel Meenakshi Tobruti. So here is a new video on nutrition in plants. So in this video, we will be discussing about photosynthesis in plants. How is photosynthesis done? Okay, so today our topic will be something like this. Yeah, 1 minute. I will select the pen. Yeah, manufacture of food by photosynthesis. Now, photosynthesis is the food making process in plants. All the food manufacture occurs in leaves of plants. All the food manufacture, this photosynthesis occurs in the leaf of plants. So, one small disclaimer, my video and the audio will not be syncing. Please don't worry, please concentrate on audio due to some technical problems. Okay, yeah. Now, all the food manufacture occurs in leaves of plants. Leaves are the kitchen house of the plant. Okay, they manufacture, that is, they synthesize the food for the plants by the process of photosynthesis. So, they are synthesizing the food for the plants by the process of photosynthesis. Now, photosynthesis, photo means light and synthesizing is making. In the presence of light, making food is called photosynthesis. Now, photosynthesis is the process of synthesis of food using sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. Now, these are the main ingredients for photosynthesis for food preparation of plants. So what we get at the end of photosynthesis is we get glucose and we get oxygen. We get glucose and we get oxygen. This glucose is again converted into energy by the process of respiration. Now, this is what now let's see what is significance of photosynthesis. Yes, now here is this guy who is breathing a lot. Now, what is breathing here? Now, what is breathing? He is taking in O2 and giving out CO2. He is taking in O2 and giving out CO2. But in photosynthesis, during the photosynthesis, plants take O2, give O2, sorry, they give O2 and take this carbon dioxide. This O2 is again taken by us. So this is the significance of photosynthesis. That is, plants take our useless material and give us useful material. Okay, now as you can see in this diagram, you can understand that uh, we are giving out CO2, these orange balls, and we are taking in O2, these green balls. We are taking in O2. O2 from where this is coming from? This is coming from plants. Plants are again taking this CO2 with the help of water and sunlight, and they are making their own food. So this is what actually is about photosynthesis and significance of photosynthesis. Now, step 1 in photosynthesis. All the photosynthesis starts by trapping the sunlight. So the plants trap the sunlight. The manufacture of food in plants start by trapping the sunlight. Plants trap sunlight using a pigment in green leaves called chlorophyll. Have you ever wondered why plants are so green? Why plants are so green? Because there is a pigment in them called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the green pigment. This helps in trapping the sunlight. Okay, so chloroplast is a cell organelle. Cell is also like a mini organism. It also has a respiratory organelle. It also organelles are small organs. Okay, so it has for respiration, it has for digestion, it is also small organism. Such organ in cells is chloroplast. This is present only in plant cells. These chloroplasts contain chlorophyll. So this is the chlorophyll which is helping us to trap the sunlight. So before seeing the mechanism of photosynthesis, see here, there is a fact for you. Approximately for 1 millimeter per 1 millimeter area, if I take a leaf and in that I take 1 millimeter per 1 millimeter, a small area. Then there are approximately 5 lakh chloroplasts in that small area. Okay, there are approximately 5 lakh chloroplasts in a small area, that is to in a green leaf. Okay, now this is how chloroplast looks like. Now this contains this is a double membraned structure. Double membrane, it has two membranes. Okay, the outer membrane and the inner membrane. Okay, this is called the outer membrane and this is called the inner membrane. Yeah, I'm sorry. Now in chloroplast there are majorly two, these are called thylakoid membranes. As you can see, these are called thylakoid membranes. Now, yeah, you can see there will be thylakoid membranes. Yeah, these are thylakoid membranes. So I will write the spelling. Thylakoid membranes. These thylakoid membranes only contain the chlorophyll. Now, these thylakoid membranes stack up. They are present in stacks. So these stacks are called granum. Stacks of thylakoid membranes are called granum. Okay, and this chloroplast has a liquid in this. There is a semi liquid here. So this fluid is called stroma. This is called stroma. So this is how a chloroplast looks like, a green color, and it always helps in, and this always helps in these contains chlorophyll. That's it, is the function. And these are the these are the places where photosynthesis occurs. So in thylakoid membranes, the photosynthesis occurs. Now, what is photosynthesis? We are taking sunlight and giving out chemical energy. Chemical energy is nothing but nutrients. Nutrients is nothing but food. We have seen in the before video. Okay, using the trapped sunlight, some enzymes are activated in cells, and by process of regulating the enzymes, at last glucose molecules, that is starch, is released. The equation of photosynthesis, as you can see here. So this is equation of photosynthesis. What does the sunlight do? This sunlight is trapped by the chlorophyll, and some enzymes in the thylakoid membranes are generated. There are some enzymes which are being generated, and by the process of regulating the enzymes, at last there is a long process going on, splitting of water, and there will be many. This combines with carbon dioxide and gives out glucose molecules with some oxygen. This oxygen we are breathing, and this is the food for plants. Okay, so this is what actually conversion of light energy into chemical energy, and this is the complete photosynthesis. Now let's see some facts. Now, how is CO2 entering into plant? Now wait a minute. Yeah, now how is CO2 entering into the plant? CO2 is entering into the plant by these small structures on the leaf, very small structures on the leaves, called stomata. So they have two kidney shaped guard cells, which are helping for exchange of gases and some water vapor. So they close and they open. They are opened here and they are closed here. So like our nostrils only. So we are breathing, right? In the same way, these are stomata which help in the exchange of gases, like taking in CO2, giving out oxygen, and stomata have mainly three functions. Now let's see what are those three functions. Wait. Yeah. Now, as you can see, this is what actually stomata looks like. So there are two guard cells here, and they perform mainly three functions. The photosynthesis, they help in photosynthesis, and they help in respiration, and they help in transpiration. Okay, so these are the three main functions done by stomata. Now, photosynthesis is something what we have discussed, exchange of CO2 and O2. Respiration is also same as humans. Plants also respirate. They take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Okay, this is what actually is also respiration. Now coming of transpiration. I'm sorry. Now transpiration is loss of water. I said right in the starting, they take very little water. I will say, plants use only 1 to 2% of the given water, and the other 99 to 98% water is loosed through the stomata. So this loss of water in the form of water vapor is called transpiration. That is why where there are more plants, there will be more rainfall because of more water vapor. So you see how everything are linked. Yeah, so that's all for today. Please support us by clicking the like button. Please share this to all your friends and family, and subscribe and clicking the bell icon to get instant notifications. Thank you. Have a nice day. Yes.